You're watching Canada's Weather Network. To help you plan your activities in the coming days, here are the short and long-term forecasts for your area. To upload your photos and videos, visit upload.theweathernetwork.com.
This local forecast has been brought to you by Salon Paws for effective relief.
This is Force of Nature, the extended for Friday, August the 21st. Thunderstorms and hail battered parts of Newfoundland. Definitely treacherous driving conditions. This hail pelted the highway outside Gander. By the way, the large hail was reported marble-sized, and it looks like severe thunderstorms along central and northeastern Newfoundland continued. Environment Canada issued that conditions were favorable to carry thunderstorms. Intense wind gusts up to 90 kilometers per hour and rainfall up to 25 millimeters per hour were all possible. How does this hail form? Here's Chris St. Clair with that explainer.
Now the science behind the weather and the story of hail. Hail and thunderstorms are formed out of very moist and unstable air masses that are heated by the sun. Within this storm, there'll be violent updrafts and downdrafts. These updrafts can reach speeds of 160 kilometers per hour, and it's in the updrafts and downdrafts that hail is formed. Here's where hail comes from. A tiny droplet of water gets caught in the updraft and rushes aloft. As it goes higher, it meets cooler air where it freezes and becomes a particle of ice. It's then caught in the downdraft where it goes back towards the surface, picking up more droplets of water. Then the updraft catches it and carries it aloft again. It grows in size, and the cycle continues until the hailstone is so large that it falls to the surface. And that's the science behind the weather.
Well, the Storm Ellen saga continues. According to the Irish Times, over 50,000 premises have been left without power as Cork County, Ireland is hit by further flooding. Ellen left a storm of destruction behind during the previous nights, with flooding reported in Skibaron, Kinsale, Middleton, and Bantry. Winds in County Cork reached almost 145 kilometers per hour. About 194,000 properties have been affected by the storm. The waves crashed against Severn Bridge, and those reached up to 153 kilometers per hour. It looks like County Cork is continuously struggling to cope with further flooding, as Met Rain warns unseasonably wet and very windy weather is going to be continuing, not aiding, of course, the destruction of Storm Ellen. Networks and other weather conditions have been challenging, and while working to restore the power has begun, it has been challenging. The British Columbia wildfires continue as Penticton braces for a windy Friday as Christie Mountain's blaze continues to burn. Gusty conditions threaten to blow the fire into the hills above the Okanagan City towards more residences. It looks like with the Christie Mountain wildfire steadily advancing toward them, crews went into the hills surrounding Penticton to begin preparing for what could be the fight of their lives. A powerful waterspout that became a tornado was seen here in the area of Golden Beach near Aventura Wednesday afternoon, according to forecasters. The National Weather Service reported the waterspout at about 1:09 p.m. local time. Officials said that the waterspout was produced by a thunderstorm before it briefly moved onshore as a tornado, which was later classified as an EF0, the weakest tornado on the enhanced Fujita scale. Good afternoon. Environment Canada has now replaced the tornado warning with severe thunderstorm warnings. Once again, if you're just tuning in, those tornado watches and warnings have now been dropped, replaced by Environment Canada with severe thunderstorm warnings. We're still going to be dealing with this system moving throughout southern Saskatchewan. Here's a closer look at that radar and reflectivity. Once again, a lot of rotation was associated with the system that was moving in the northeastern direction around the Spy Hill area.
Do you suffer with pain?